Okay, this morning we're starting out here. You can see I got the torque converter is disconnected from the engine. This is the 95 Suburban. And the other thing we did is we pulled the belt off. We got all the spark plugs out of it. And we're going to do another static compression. Got the in-cylinder in there. Scope is on. Let's set this back to 0 here. Get her to 0 out. See, it just jumped on the scope. Man, this could be a glare here today. Let me move it off to the side here, maybe in the shade. Here, let's go up here. It's not much better. Okay, go ahead and crank it. Okay. Alright. So, I'm going to disconnect this and we're going to move it inside so we can kind of see what we got here. It's just too bright outside today. Let's take it back here into the shop. Let's set it down here. That'll work a little bit better. Actually, turn on the screen here. Maybe it might be better yet. Although that's still kind of a glare. It's just a bright morning. It's already almost 78 degrees out here, so I'm trying to get this taken care of before it gets get a little too hot. That's what we want. Okay, so here's our compression. Let's move our cursor here. Pretty close right there, peak pressure. And we got ourselves 125 PSI. That's what we got here. So, let's grab our time. We got 872. Let's see, we'll use this guy for math here. Calculator. This is really, here, let me back out a little bit more. There we go. So, being this is it's a 720 event, to configure exactly what kind of RPM we have. Generally 60,000 milliseconds is it for 1 RPM. So since we're double that, we'll do 120,000. Oops, that's too many. There we go, 120,000, and then we would divide that by that 872. Interesting how they end up being perfectly on that number. So it comes out to, it's only turning about 137 RPM. Now that's even lower than we had before. Generally, it got where the starter would do it like 140. But there's what we have. That's with pretty much everything disconnected, so it's just the engine by itself with the starter still on it. So from here, not sure what else we can do.